Welcome guys, so today I want to show you 5 camera tips for your Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So I think that at the first I'm going to show you few hidden features. The first one will be about the volume buttons. They are right here. So when you click on the volume button, volume up or volume down, as you can see, you can take photos. When you click and hold volume up or volume down, you are going to take series of the photo. As you can see, we can take 20 photos. So right now when you open the gallery, just like that, and tap on this icon, we will find all of these photos that we take. As you can see, when we quickly slide on the left to the right side, it looks like the short video. If you want to keep any of these photos, you can just select like that. On the slider at the bottom, you will get preview which one you selected. Click right here on the marker, and there it is. As you can see, we keep this 3 photos. And it will also works the same when you click and hold the shutter. We'll also take series of the photos. Okay, right now let's smoothly move to the zoom feature, because as you can see currently we got 1x, 2x and 5x, but when we click and hold on already selected preset, we'll get additional the 6x. You can also go between, like for example, there's 2 and 5, so we can set like 4x. And you can zoom in and zoom out much smoother, definitely. When you want to change the color or temperature on the photos, you can tap right here, and as you can see, we can find here a lot of different filters. For example, this one we can set, click on the shutter, and the photo was taken. And the most useful feature will be probably right here. That's the 64 megapixel mode. As you can see with this mode, we're gonna make a comparison. So take a look. The photo taken with the 64 megapixel mode and without. Let's take a look on the details. For example, right here, it looks like that. Not bad, right? One more time, we can focus also right here. And right now, take a look on this 64 megapixel mode. Definitely more details. Okay, so that's all for this Oppo Reno 8 Lite. My tips for this device. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.